We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make roasted zucchini sticks. First, cut 2 medium zucchinis by cutting the ends off first, then cut in half crosswise, then each half lengthwise, then one more time to make quarters. So getting those zucchini sticks into quarters, all even pieces. Whoops, keeping it on the board. And let them air dry or dab them with a paper towel. That way the seasoning sticks to them. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 to 1 teaspoon of spices, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix that together in the oil. Now add your zucchini and toss them to evenly coat the sticks. Now spread them onto a baking sheet and mostly cut side down for delicious browning. Flipping them over, cut side down, most surface area on the pan for that browning. Now roast them at 450 degrees for about 12 minutes. And try with a fork. If they're soft, they're done, but not too soft. And check out the recipe in the description below. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.